Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find the terms and privacy policy in WhatsApp Web on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web and click on the three-dot menu icon at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 2. Within the Settings menu, look for the Help option and click on it. Step 3. In the Help section, you will find various options. Click on Terms and Privacy Policy, and there you have it. You've successfully found the Terms and Privacy Policy in WhatsApp Web on your PC. It's important to review and understand these policies to ensure your privacy and security while using WhatsApp Web. That's all for today's tutorial on finding the Terms and Privacy Policy in WhatsApp Web on your PC. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.